Lengthen your spine, bend forward so that your stomach, chest, chin, forehead touch your feet, and palms touch the floor. If you don't touch the floor with your hands, you can touch your fingertips or touch your ankles. Bend your knees slightly if you feel any tension. Close your eyes and breathe gently. Inhale. Slowly raise your body up, straight back to the starting position. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale. Extend the spine, continue to bend, belly, chest, chin, forehead deep down. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Breathe naturally here. Inhale, slowly lift up, back straight. And exhale. Again, exhale, lengthen the spine, bend the body, bend the knees slightly if feeling tight. Breathe evenly here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and slowly bring your body back to the starting position.